Hey everybody, Justin Worden at SMTAI International in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and you're watching What's New in Electronics. My guest today is David Raby with STI. How are you doing today?
I'm very good. Thank you for having me.
So are you exhibiting or are you just walking the floor?
I'm just walking the floor. I had some meetings otherwise and some dinners to go to, but mainly today I'm just walking the floor.
Now it's my understanding you guys are located in a very busy part of the world right now for this industry.
Yes, we're in Madison, Alabama, which is just outside of Huntsville. So fast-growing area, great city to live in, but we're right off Redstone Arsenal and Marshall Space Flight Center. So both of those are growing with just a great place to be.
So I know STI is a contract manufacturer, but you're much more than that. So why don't you tell me a little bit about the IPC training facility you have?
Okay. We have been a training facility for quite a few years. I mean, probably we're 41 years old, so probably 35 of that. We do all kinds of training, but most of what people know us for is the IPC training. We are a center for just about all of the different specifications IPC does, so you can either send your people to us to be trained, or you can send your trainer to us, and then they go back and do the training at your facility.
Yeah, so having an IPC training facility inside your building is probably a testament to how high reliability your products must be. So tell us a little bit about what you're producing on the manufacturing side.
Okay, I can't talk about some of the actual products we're doing. We do a lot of work for the U.S. government in various departments, but everything we do is based on reliability. When they're used, they have to work. We do a couple of medical devices also, and the same type of thing. That if right now we're doing pacemaker and defibrillator for premature babies, so you can imagine the quality requirements on that. The failure is not an option. But back to your question, the operators that we have working, they're hired for those requirements, but also what we think is the best training in the world is about 50 yards down the hallway. And so if we don't have the best trained operators, something's wrong.
So it sounds like there truly is just no room for error when you guys are building boards.
That is correct.
Now, you said you've been around for about 41 years. What have you seen just in your local area as far as the growth over that time?
Oh, it's been amazing. I mean, the Huntsville area has been one of the fastest growing areas in the country for quite a few years. It started with the Redstone Arsenal, which is the Army base, and then NASA. But so many companies have spun off from those and moved just outside of the government facilities or government property there, and started up, and then just spread that technology all over town. You know, as one company starts and they grow, and somebody leaves and starts their own company. So now all of a sudden you've got 15, 20 high-tech companies. All the major defense contractors are located and have a location in Huntsville. So it's a big area.
I know you guys are very busy, but if someone's watching this and they want to work with STI, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Easiest way to get me is email draby, D-R-A-B-Y, at stiusa.com.
Well, David, I really appreciate you sharing your story. Have a wonderful show.
Okay, thank you for having me.
Absolutely.